getting inside. Oh, it burns. 2, 1. Oh, got all my eyes. This is what happens when you put baking soda and vinegar in a 1-liter bottle. And this is what happens when you put baking soda and vinegar in a 2-liter bottle. Bro, the bottle came back and just nailed me so hard in the leg and just broke my GoPro. And this is what happens when you put baking soda and vinegar in an even bigger bottle. But the real question is, what happens when you put over 100 pounds of baking soda and vinegar inside of a huge container? But the craziest part is I'm gonna be inside this container for the entire thing. All right, look at that.
These are huge.
Bro, let's start loading it up. Dude, I think this might burn my skin. Just keep loading it, bro. How much it can fit is what we're gonna get.
Hold around back and had him just drop a pallet.
For real. All right, so we have 20 things of vinegar in here. Now it's time to find the baking soda, and it just so happens that the baking soda is right behind us. Okay, this is crazy.
This stuff's heavy.
Yeah, like for perspective, that might not look like a lot of baking soda, but 1 thing of baking soda, 14 pounds.
What's that, 14 times 4? That's gotta be like,
quick math.
like YouTube math, it's like 5,000 pounds, dude.
We got 5,000 pounds right now. So anyone looking at us right now probably thinks we're absolutely crazy.
I dare you to not show their seat, just run past all this.
Run past. All right, time to load her up. This is the way to kill COVID if you guys haven't gone onto it yet. So I don't know what this is gonna do to my body. I hope not hospital time. You only live once. What's a couple burns gonna do? All right.
Jackass.
So, Jackass team.
4.0.
Yep, exactly. Good to go. This is actually like disgusting. All right, so we're down to our last 4 bottles. We almost have all this inside. The whole park smells horrible right now.
I got a little bit on my arm and it actually just burns just from like 1 bottle.
Yeah, I'm scared. I think I'm gonna get
for you.
I'm gonna get like chemical burns, but let's get it. Down to the last bottle. Now we just gotta get the baking soda ready, and it's ready for action. Before we continue, I wanna give a big thanks to Iris for sponsoring this video and helping me fund it to make it possible. Iris is a dating app, but it's not like a lot of the other dating apps. Iris uses something called AI. For those of you guys who don't know, AI stands for artificial intelligence, and what's really cool about this is this app actually gets to know you and your tastes and preferences. This is gonna help filter out people that you're not compatible with ahead of time. It saves so much time, and unlike other apps where you're just swiping left until you finally find someone, you're actually gonna find the people from the start. What's even better is the more you use this app, the more it gets to know you, and it's gonna keep showing you people that you're even more compatible with. Another cool feature is that it blocks out catfishing so that you know you're gonna be talking to a real person on the other end. No one likes to deal with catfishing, and this is just another thing that's gonna save you so much time. So if you're looking for the right dating app, go check out Iris, and the link is down in my description. And now it's time for me to go take a bath in some baking soda and vinegar. So I don't know if this looks like a lot to you guys, but this is over 50 pounds of baking soda.
I'm getting it in my mouth right now, dude.
It's gonna be hard to carry this. Like, we got 50 pounds here, another 50 pounds of vinegar inside of here. What do you think's gonna happen to me?
Dude, honestly, I think it's gonna shoot into your mouth and your eyes, and you're gonna be temporarily like dazed.
Oh shoot.
And your skin's probably gonna be like fizzling from it and like burning a little bit, but I think you'll be fine. And it's probably gonna just like shoot like what? 8 feet up, 6, 7 feet up.
So when we were filling this up, Charlie got a little bit of vinegar on his skin, and he was saying it literally felt irritating. I don't know, did it turn red or it just hurt for like a second?
It turned red, but it felt like a little burning.
Honestly, like, be on standby if I'm like getting burned. Carry me to the nearest water source or the hospital.
One of these people will have like a garden hose, because we're in the middle of a neighborhood, dude.
We're good, we're good. I think we're fine. What do you think's gonna happen?
It's gonna burn your skin a little bit and make you smell really bad.
Okay, how high do you think this explosion is gonna be? Well, give us a little comparison of what you're thinking.
I don't know, probably like up to here.
All right, so I think it's probably gonna go up about 10 feet or so because it's like so narrow. I've done this on a smaller scale. It was super loud. At least I don't have a lid, but let's get right into it. So to make this even crazier, Charlie had the idea to put food coloring in here. So it's gonna be like a huge green explosion. So let's get it. Cheers.
Oh, this is a really dark green.
Oh my gosh, this is like dark green. I don't know why we're doing this because now my whole skin's gonna be. All right, time to go. Getting inside.
This is the worst part right now, just getting surrounded by vinegar.
Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns. It actually already burns. Woo.
We count it down?
Let's do a big countdown. We haven't done it yet. I just got out because I was gonna move something. My legs are like stained green. Bro, dude, this is bad. This is bad. Dude, I knew this was bad. Dude, this is on Charlie. Charlie convinced me to do this. I didn't want to do food coloring. I hope I can get this off. This is ridiculous. If my whole face gets this, we're literally going to someone's birthday party tomorrow. This just shows how green it is. Watch this. So I have a couple cuts from my surf fin and they are burning so bad. I don't know if you can see it down there. It feels like super red and it's super, super irritated. With the baking soda and vinegar combined, this is not gonna be good.
So gross.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My eye. Dude, my eye literally got all in my eyes. Dude, my whole skin's like on fire right now.
I have water in the car.
Yeah, let's get water. Dude, all my cuts and stuff are like on fire. They actually got all in my eyes, bro.
I just want to say I predicted that.
My skin feels like on fire. Okay, honestly, it might look like I was purposely trying to tip it over. What happened was it started going towards my eyes, so I leaned back. And then at that point, I was leaning back to fall over. The craziest part was the whole thing was green. Like, I thought it would maybe look kind of green, but it worked. And hey, the grass is gonna stay green and we're happy. Dude, what?
It looks like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, there might be some angry neighbors, and if so, we gotta get that on video.
What do you guys do over here?
Oh, we're filming a YouTube video.
For what?
We were doing a little, like, I do different like random experiments and stuff. So we we're doing a baking soda and vinegar bath, right? Like inside of it.
Sounds terrible.
Yeah, it does not feel great. I smell like pretty bad. All right, that was crazy. My skin's literally on fire right now. And if you guys blow this video up, I'm gonna take this to a whole nother level and I'll fill a real life-size pool up filled with baking soda and vinegar. So make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guess what we're doing? You have to guess.
Some kind of prank, I assume.
Yeah, so basically we are gonna like do a baking soda and vinegar bath. So I'm gonna get inside of a huge trash can and explode it. I don't know if I'm gonna get hurt or what, but I think it's gonna be kind of sick. So it's like kind of, I guess, an experiment.
Jackass.
Jackass theme.
4.0.
Yep.